Peachtree Rock Heritage Preserve. Take a 30-minute drive southwest from South Carolina's capital city of Columbia, and you'll find yourself here among towering longleaf pines, ancient sandstone formations, and within walking distance of the only waterfall on South Carolina's coastal plain. Peachtree really fits the hidden gem category to me, because you could drive right by the entrance and never know you missed it. A dirt road orange highway pull-off leads to an incredible abundance of natural beauty hidden in plain sight. Storm damage sent me on a different route than I planned, but the trails of Peachtree are well kept and marked. Along my way, I noticed quite a few pink calicias among ferns that meet the trail. The preserve is home to many wildflower species like goldenrod, cranefly orchids. For the birders, there's no shortage of chickadees, titmice, you know what I mean, cardinals, mockingbirds, and if you're lucky, maybe even a red cockaded woodpecker. Peachtree also seems like very favorable habitat for the threatened gopher tortoise, but I'm unaware of any information reporting on its presence here. As I traveled further into the preserve, the roar of the busy highway faded away, while the songs from birds above in the canopy became clear. As you continue the trail, patches of sandstone guide you along your way. This massive rock formation here is referred to as the shelter. This little footbridge I'm crossing here is one of many that are around the park. An uphill turned into a downhill and back again as I made my final march towards Peachtree. A little stone-topped overlook reveals the Peachtree Rock, the waterfall, and the stream that flows from it, all before you beautifully. What's so impressive to me about this place is there's so many interesting things in one small area. I saw this little trip as a good opportunity to get acquainted with this new water filter I got here. It's called a Sawyer Squeeze. So take it out and get a little bit of water in there for the trip out.
It just tastes like water.
After a quick break, filling up my water, packing everything up, I decided it was time to head out. If you're in the area or planning to be sometime in the near future, I couldn't recommend this place more. I don't think you'll find anywhere as geographically unique or interesting than this place within 100 miles. And it's free. If you enjoyed any of this, feel free to leave a like and maybe consider subscribing. I plan on doing more like this soon. Thank you and have a wonderful day.